Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk through how to install Windows Server 2019. Just a quick update. I have already uploaded the ISO to my data store here. I believe it's this one, Server 2019. So it's in my data store, so I should be able to run the ISO from there. So this is my machine here. It's not gonna let me. Oh, I really wanted to do a browser console, but I can since I have VMware Workstation installed on this host. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to open it from a workstation here. There it is. And I am going to go to settings and on my optical drive, CD DVD drive, you can tell that it's already found the data store, so I'm going to go to browse. There's my ISOs folder, there's my 2019 ISO. Hit OK and hit OK there, and I think I need to power on to firmware. Let's see, just to make sure that it's set to boot to my optical drive. There it is, SATA CD-ROM drive. So I'm going to hit enter and enter again, and we are loading files here. So again, I'm doing this pretty much live. I know it's recorded, but I have not attempted this beforehand. Um, so that's why if we're going to get an error, we're going to get it together. Alright, so Windows Server 2019, English US, looks good. Hit next. Install. I had some, I think I had Server 2016 already on this virtual machine already. Okay, so it's requiring me to type in a product key. So let me pause the video here and I'll come right back. Alright, so it went ahead and accepted my product key. This is the data center version of Server 2019. I'm going to go ahead and kick it off with the desktop experience. They do have the option to remove the GUI and just go all command line. I believe it's with PowerShell. But for this quick tutorial, I'm just going to do desktop experience. Click next. Accept the terms of conditions. Alright, do a custom because I already had some stuff on here that I want removed. So let me go through and delete all my previous partitions. Alright, 50 gigs, and click next. Alright, so it should start copying the files and going through the installation. I am going to pause the video here so I don't have to keep you guys just watching a percentage increase, and then I will hop back hopefully when it's rebooting. Alright guys, we are back. It is rebooting here, which is a good sign. Alright, so it is now asking to set the administrator password, so I will go ahead and type in my super secret password. And then we will click finish. Finalizing the settings, and we are at the login window. So if I hit Control Alt Delete and then type in my super secret password again, we are now logging in to Windows Server 2019. Sweet. And we should be activated. It found my network. I'll click yes on that. It's going to load Server Manager. While it does that, let's go ahead and go to Settings, System, About. And there we go. Windows Server 2019 Data Center 1809, and we should be activated, if I'm not mistaken. So, see here. Let's go. Properties. Windows is active. Alright, so that was a quick little tutorial on how to install Windows Server 2019. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys next time.